Hi, in this video we're going to find information on a topic and show you how to manage your search results. UCD Library OneSearch allows you to search a wide range of resources, including scholarly content. These include the likes of print books and ebooks, journal articles, databases, audio-visual material, government documents, and much more, all under one search platform. Now, in the example we're going to search, and remember, this is a great starting point for your essay or your research project. In this example, we're going to find information on renewable energy projects in Ireland over the past 5 years. So I'm going to type in renewable energy Ireland, and then I'm going to click on the search button here. So OneSearch has brought me my search results, and you can see that it's quite a lot of search results, and they've been sorted here by relevance. Now I want to refine my search down to a more manageable number of search results. One tip is to always look for help if you're on any system that you're searching. So see here on the top right hand corner there's a menu, and I have an option here for help. And within that help, if I look through, it has things like phrase searching, searching on specific fields, Boolean operators, the explanation of these, wildcard, and browser support. So always look for help when you're searching on the likes of OneSearch or any individual database as well. Now I am going to turn this into a phrase, so I'm going to change it to renewable energy in Ireland. And I'm going to turn it in phrase by putting in quotation marks, and now I'm going to click on search. And you can see that I've taken a significant step to reduce the number of results. I can now start to refine my search using the filters here on the left hand side. I'm going to click on full text online, so it's just bringing me what's available electronically. I'm going to limit my search under content type to journal article. And I'm going to reduce this to the last 5 years under publication date. And you can see I'm down to 53 results. And you also have options to refine a search by discipline or by subject terms. So for example, if I click on discipline, if I was studying engineering, I can just select the engineering as a discipline. And now I can search through these search results. There's 27 results. I can see the article titles and a description, and then I have the option to kind of progress further on any article that I'm interested in. So for example here, it's an article from 2017 from Energy Policy, and if I click on full text online, it will then redirect me to the publisher's website. So I'm going to click on this, and now I've been asked to log in using my Connect username and passwords. This is to verify that I'm a UCD staff or student, and now I have access to the full text of the article. When I scroll down here, I can see I have a menu here on this particular publisher website. I have a menu here on the side, so I can go to keywords, references, etc. And I also have the option to view this and download it as a PDF. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Please see our study skills for more video and interactive tutorials. Thank you.